Good day and welcome to ISP, where our mission is to help US AEC firms with the world-class production support. In this video, we will try to describe our capabilities and processes of how our India team can support your in-house architecture team with a very high level of production support, including schematics development, design development, construction documentation, and quality control. But before we get too deep into our architectural capabilities, let's take a look at our amazing team. It all starts right here in our HR department and the World Class Training Institute, where we hire the best architects in India and teach them how we design in the US. Our architects training system includes everything from the basics of architecture and design principles, construction document preparation, codes and standards, and also quality control. All architects must receive the high passing grade, and then we convert them into the billable employees working as a remote team members for the firms like yours. Our basic model is to create 8 to 10 persons team, including senior architects, junior architects, and support staff who work as a remote staff for up to 4 firms. The team leader and co-team leader manages most of the communication and scheduling for all of your projects. At the conceptual design stage, where designs concepts are still being finalized, we help our clients prepare basic informations from rough sketches and bubble diagrams to completed floor plans, elevations and building sections required in schematics development stage. We can also create amazing renders, fly-throughs and SketchUp models which will help you show the client your true vision. From schematics to design development stage, we recommend scheduling virtual meeting to go over final project requirements and goals along with the materials of construction. Designs are then further progressed in by the ISP team in accordance with state, local and international building codes. During this stage, we also provide all project-related information such as dimensions, tags and annotations. All work is of course performed in your company standards. Any renders for 3D models can be further enhanced to include site-specific information. Once the client approves the design's development, the package is then transformed into a buildable construction document set by your ISP team. First, we will coordinate the required components for each interim submitter to make sure that everyone is on the same page. With the information collected, we begin keeping a basis of design document which is shared with your team. The ISP team then goes to work creating all necessary sheets including reflected ceiling and finished floor plans, life safety plans, schedules, details, elevations, sections and any other required sheets. Prior to each submittal back to your team, the ISP team performs a quality review with one of our division leaders or a different in-house team. Pre-scheduling enough time for designs and QC by our ISP team will surely save time and ensure a high-quality package. If needed for a project, our architectural visualization team is able to create amazing renderings, walkthrough and fly-throughs along with any photorealistic interior design views of your project. You can just send markups or create a design board with materials, furniture, elements and color scheme of your choice. If any furniture or equipment families need to be created, we can do this with some images and dimension drawings. We at ISP create detailed 3D information models of existing as-built residential or commercial premises using industry-leading software such as Autodesk Revit, Archicad and Vectorworks. As an input, we only require information such as as-built drawings, a few site images and a few other site-related details. Alternatively, send us a point cloud and we can easily convert this to an existing conditions model. We can even model the structural site and MEP systems quickly and cost-effectively. Our models are created with precision and speed, so you can start designing the needed renovations. Some projects require a true-to-life model built of a building or a site so the end client can clearly understand the vision of the project. Our team can source 3D printings and delivery of models right here from India at the 10% of the cost. Just let your team know when the physical model is needed, and the team can complete this along with the colorizing. Very large models can be created in sections and shipped to your preferred destinations. Well, as you can see, we here at ISP have built your perfect remote architectural dream team to support your in-house team with anything from document creation, architectural visualization, and even physical models. The team is organized, quality-driven, and ready to help your team get projects done faster, better, and more efficiently. So, our architectural team here at ISP is very eager to start collaborating with your architects to deliver the most successful projects.